Hello everyone. I hope you are all well and ready to start your lesson with Miss Rati. Welcome to Miss Rati's English class, where we learn to read and write words in English. Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's talk about the class rules. You need to be on time for your session. You need to set your timetable, okay, so that every day you know what time you are going to start your English with Miss Rati. Okay, so I want you to sit like this. If you are sitting on the floor or on the carpet or on the mat, okay? If you are sitting on the chair, you need to sit like this. All right, I also want you to have your pencil, your crayon, and your notebook because we are going to write, okay? And I also want you to listen very carefully, okay? Listen attentively. No shouting and no playing. Let's be serious with our studies. So in this session, we are going to focus on the letter sound G, G. And the letter name is G, okay? But for us to be able to read and write words in English, we need to learn the letter sound. So the letter sound is G, 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 G. Can you say G, 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 G? One more time. Very good. Very good. So by the end of our session, I want you to be able to identify and say the letter sound G, G. Whenever you see this letter, I want you to point at it and say, this is G, 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 G. Okay? I also want you to practice writing upper and lower case G, G. And to be able to read and write words with the G sounds. Okay. So, I have objects that begin with the G sound here on the pictures. We have, what do we have here? Can you tell me? Okay, get. You have get at your house, right? Get, yes. G for get. And what is this one? Can you tell Miss Rati what is this one? Very good. Glass. Next one. What is this? Very good. Girl. Okay, I want all the girls to raise your hand and wave. Say, I am a girl. I am a girl. Okay, good. Now, what is this one? Do you know this one? Grasshopper. Can you say grasshopper? Very good. And we have this one. Look outside the window. You can see grass. Very good. And what color is this one? Oh, you know this one, right? Very good. Green. Can you say green? This is a green color. It's so beautiful. Can you see that? And we have this one. What do we call this box? Oh, I like this one. I like to receive this one. All right. Gift. Okay. And lastly, this one. I think you have this one in your school bag. Glue. Glue. All right, so now I want you to pause the video and look around and get objects that begins with G sound. What are you going to get? Okay, I want you to make a collection. All right. And you can, after making your collection, you can try to describe the objects, how you use them, okay, and their importance. You can also discuss about that. Now, when you are done, you come here. Let's learn to write the letter G. G. So we are going to start with our uppercase, and then we will write the lowercase. Now look here, the uppercase, I want you to write in the air. You are going to start here and you write like you are writing a circle. You go round and round, and then when you reach the middle part of your lines, you draw a straight line going inside, okay, like this. Let's do together like a circle, then we write a straight line. Very good. You can pause the video and practice one more time, and when you are done, you come here. We are going to write the lowercase G, G. So for this one, we are going to write a circle, then we go up, we go down and put a leg. Let's do again a circle. We go up, we go down and make a leg. Very good. You can pause the video and practice. Okay. When you are done, get your worksheet or this book. If you have a book with these letters, this is the right time to practice, because before we do our independent writing, we need to trace on the worksheets or in the booklet that we bought from a bookstore. So let's practice. You trace nicely, okay? Try to follow the dots. Try to follow the dots. When you are done, you also go down to do the lowercase. Try to follow the dots. Okay, if you want amazing worksheets, you can log on to www.2happybase.com. And after tracing on your worksheets, I want you to take your notebook and do independent writing. Okay, nice one. When you are done, we are going to read. So let's read, because reading is fun. So we are going to read some words with g, g, g sound. And how many words are we going to read? Can you see here? 1, 2, 3. 3 words only. Why do we have 3 words only? Because we are going to read only words with the letter sounds that we have done so far, okay? No strange letters. We don't want to confuse you. So you need to keep on reviewing our lesson 1, our lesson 2, our lesson 3. You need to know all the letter sounds that we have done from lesson 1, so that you can be able to read and write words, okay? So I want you to look at the picture and then you say the letter sound. Can you say the letter sound of this one, next one, and the last one? What is the word? Very good. Now let's do together G, A, S. What is the word? G, A, S. G, A, S. Gas. Very good. Now look here. Do you have this one in your mouth? I think some of you have this one, okay? Now can you say the letter sound for this one, next one, and the last sound? Okay, let's do together G, A, P. G, A, P. What is the word? G, A, P. G, A, P. G, A, P. Gap. Very good. That's the word. Let's move on. Next one. Okay, look at the boys. What are they doing? So our word is from the picture. Okay, so now I want you to say the letter sound of this one and this one here. What is the word? Try to think. Blend your sounds. Okay, very good. Now let's do together. D, I, G. D, I, G. What is the word? D, I, G. D, I, G. D, I, G. Dig. Okay, so the word is dig. So you can pause the video and practice read one more time. When you are done, you come here. We are going to write words. Okay, so I need to hide the words, please. No copying, no copying. I want you to write from your head. So what you can do is now, can you pause the video and draw this picture, this one, and this one? Okay. Can you pause the video and draw the pictures? When you are done, now we will start with this one. I want you to write D, I, G. D, I, G. Okay, write D, I, G. Dig. You can pause the video and write the word. When you are done, you come here. I want you to write G, A, S. G, A, S. Pause the video and write G, A, S. Gas. And when you are writing words, please remember to write only lowercase letters. Okay, so don't copy from here. I want you to write lowercase letters. When we write words, we use lowercase letters only. Okay. Now the last one, G, A, P. Can you write G, A, P? G, A, P. Gap. Okay, try to write. And I want you to write on the lines. Please make sure your letters are sitting on the lines. Okay, so when you are done, we come here to do our self-assessment. I am going to show you the words. You need to check, did you write like this? Check, 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 check. Did you write like this? D, I, G. G, A, S. G, A, P. Okay. So now, I want you to pause the video. Check if you made a mistake. Try to do your corrections. And when you are done, we are going to write sentences. And we are going to write how many sentences? For 2 pictures, we are going to write 4 sentences. Okay. Today, I want to test if you can write sentences without me showing you an example. That's why I don't have any sentence here. I want you to write from your head, but I'm going to tell you what to write. So after drawing this picture, I want you to write it. It is a gap. It is a gap. Pause the video and write it is a gap. Remember, you start with your uppercase, you put your finger space, and then you put a full stop. So pause the video and write it is a gap. When you are done, we are going to write the second sentence. This is a gap. Capital T for the word this. Okay? And then finger space and full stop. Full stop is that dot we put at the end of our sentence. This is a gap. So pause the video and write this is a gap. When you are done, I want you to come to this one. Pause the video, draw your gas tank, and write it is a gas. It is a gas. Remember uppercase, finger space, and full stop. Okay. It is a gas. When you are done with that one, the last sentence is this is a gas. This is a gas. So you write here, it is a gas. this side, this is a gas. And if you don't have enough space here, you can write your second sentence below the first one. Okay, don't stress, don't try to fix all the sentences in one line. No, you can write down here, it's still fine. Okay, so when you are done, let's do self-assessment. I want you to check now. It is a gap. Capital E, finger space, and a full stop. Did you write like this? It is a gap. Very good. The next one, this is a gap. Capital T, finger space, and full stop. This is a gap. Very good. The next one, it is a gas. It is a gas. Uppercase or capital letter, then finger space, and full stop. It is a gas. Did you write like this? Okay, good. Then the last sentence, this is a gas. Capital T, finger space, and your full stop. This is a gas. Did you write like that? Very good, very good. But if you made a mistake, don't worry. Pause the video and do your corrections. And then when you are done with your corrections, I want you to say the letter sound G, G, G. Can you say that? G, G, G. Okay, now I want you to name only 5 objects. We start with the G, G sound. What can you tell me? Or you can look at your collection. What do you have? Or I show you here. Let's see what we have. Get, gas, girl, grasshopper, grass, green, gift, glue. What else do we have in the house? You can check, okay? Or you can look around. It's still fine. And then I want you to keep on tracing the letter G sound. If you still have problems when it comes to independent writing, you need to go back to do the tracing worksheets, okay? Then when you are comfortable, you can write the letter G independently now. Then I want you to draw and write words with G sound, okay? Which words are you going to do? These 3 ones only in your notebook. Because here I was telling you the letter sounds, right? But now I want you to write without me telling you the letter sounds. I just want you to draw the boys digging or girls digging and write the word dig without copying. Draw the gas tank and write the word gas without copying. Draw your teeth with a gap and write the word gap, okay, without copying. I want you to have more practice so that you can be able to write the words without copying, okay? Now I want to say thank you so much. You did a great job and amazing work. Very good. Keep it up and keep on studying to read and write English, okay, with Miss Ratty. So I hope to see you in the next lesson, okay? Thank you so much for joining this lesson. And if you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and also to subscribe so that when I post a new video, you will get a notification, okay? Thank you so much for joining. Goodbye and see you next time.